Have you ever wondered why we humans are so adept at problem solving? Why, in the face of adversity, do we not simply crumble and give up, but instead rise to the occasion, confront the issue, and find a way out? This is not a random trait. It's an intrinsic part of our survival instinct. For millions of years, we've honed this ability. Our minds, ever vigilant, constantly scan our environment, anticipating what could go wrong and strategizing on how to prevent or overcome it. But what happens when a problem seems insurmountable? When the worry becomes an unmovable mountain in the landscape of our thoughts? Does it mean surrender and self-declare defeat? Not at all. Here's an unconventional yet intriguing strategy. Find a bigger problem. Think of it as a magician's sleight of hand. While everyone's attention is fixated on the card he's showing, the real trick is happening elsewhere. Similarly, when faced with a challenging situation, your mind focuses on it so much that it might overlook potential solutions. But introduce a larger problem, and suddenly, the original issue seems less overbearing, less significant. Imagine being stuck in a complex project at work, a problem that's been gnawing at your peace of mind for weeks. Instead of continuing to wrestle with it, switch your focus. Perhaps there's a home renovation project you've been putting off. Dive into that. As you immerse yourself in this new challenge, you'll find the tension of the office problem easing. Or consider a rough patch in a relationship that's been causing sleepless nights. Instead of spiraling further into the problem, find a project at work where you can excel and redirect your energy there. As you make progress and notch up victories in this new arena, the relationship issue may not seem as daunting anymore. In essence, it's about shifting your mental energy. If one problem seems unsolvable, find another, bigger one. Not to pile on the stress, but to offer a fresh perspective, a new challenge that can make the initial problem seem less daunting. In summary, the human brain is a problem-solving machine. It thrives on challenges and looks for ways to overcome obstacles. But sometimes when a problem seems too big, the trick is not to keep battering at it, but to find a bigger problem. It's a bit like a magician's sleight of hand, diverting attention away from the original issue, providing a fresh perspective, and ultimately, making the original problem seem less daunting. So, the next time you're faced with a problem that seems insurmountable, remember this strategy. Find a bigger problem. It might just be the key to finding a solution to the original one. It's not about adding more stress to your life, but about giving your mind a new challenge, a fresh perspective. After all, we are problem solvers, and sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to find a bigger one.